Hello guys, and welcome back to a new video. Today I want to show you the new BMW Operating System 7, the E7 multimedia system from BMW, and I want to go into detail and try to show you every single detail about this multimedia system. I'm today in the brand new BMW M5 competition, and I think this is the perfect car to show you the new multimedia system and all that information. It's a very beautiful interior in this M5. Also, it has the newest system cockpit, the new system, also the new multimedia system that it's right here in front of us. And I have to tell you, first time you can control the multimedia system also from the wheels here, from the controller in the middle center console here, or you can also control the screen with the touch screen, so you can actually use the touch screen, use your fingers to play with it. I have to tell you, first of all, it has so beautiful colors. It has a great resolution, great colors, great hardware behind it. It's work really fast. You can see how smooth it is. It's one of the best on the market. It's very responsive. And also the screen there in the front as well. Also, you can change different settings in this car. For example, we have this steering wheel, suspension, and also the driving speed. Actually, when you push this button, you can see there on the screen, you can change all that option. It's very cool. Also, with this stick here, you can also choose what you would like to see in the right side. Right there you can choose the media, you can choose what you would like to see in the right side. The middle side, it's just for the navigation and adaptive cruise control and all that stuff. And in the left side you will see the driving information. I will show you in a second. Also, let's go here in the middle. This screen, it's perfectly positioned to the driver. You have a great visibility from this driver side, and you can control it while you're driving. It's recommended to control from here, from the controllers, so you can control it from here as well. You can go in every detail, very simple, just like that, from the controller. It's very simple to control it from here. And also you can control it, as I told you before, with the touch screen. You have the shortcut button here as well. You go to menu, you can go directly to the map, for example, or you can go directly to the connection. Now let's start with the beginning, guys, and let me show you here. You have here on the left side all the menus that you can, the shortcut menus, and you have here all the widgets that you can also you can make it yourself. You can customize yourself what you would like to be here. And the radio, you can change every single widget from here. You can customize the way you want it, so you can change it very simply. And now let's start with the beginning. Up here we have the time and also the temperature. Also you have a menu, a hiding menu up here that you can adjust it very simply. For example, you can go to display, and here you have the option of the head-up display, for example. You can see it right there. I think right now you can see it, and you can adjust different height, how high to be, so you can adjust it in your favorite position. Also you can rotate it the way you want it, and also you can choose here what you would like to see and how you would like to be there. For example, let me show you. For example, let me show you here, M view. You can choose M view, for example, but this is just for this car because the M. Anyway, and then you can go to instrument cluster, and in the instrument cluster you can choose what you would like to see, convert the speed limit info. So if you want to see the speed limit info right there, also additional information it will show up there. Control display, here you can choose the brightness of this display that we are we are playing with right now. So let me go forward here, let me go back. So the first one up here is the media, guys, and on the media you have Spotify. You can connect your phone, Bluetooth, mirroring link, mirror screen, and all that connection information on the car, radio as well. The second one is connection, mobile device, email, calendar, task, BMW assistant, and all that info. Then we go to navigation. Here we have all the navigation. You can set a destination. It's already set. It's worked perfectly, and the navigation has great responsive time. It's very responsive and very nice, one of the best on the market. Then when you go to the car here, you have a lot of settings here on the car, and then I will try to show you those settings. First off, it's the driving information. You see all the driving information right here, the consumption and all that info. Then you got the sport display. Here you have all the information about the sport, the energy flow, back and forward, the way the energy go into the car, and this is all. Then we have this special menu only on the M cars. You will find this menu here. So if you go to M setup, you can set up your buttons. Those buttons right here on the steering wheel, you have M1 and M2, so you can set up it very simply from here. You go to M1, for example, the first button, and then you can choose how the engine to respond, sport, efficient or plus. You can choose how the transmission to respond, and how to be the chassis, sport, comfort. This is the suspension, the steering wheel as well, and also DSG on or off, or the way you want to drive it, start stop system, sound, if you want a sound on the exhaust pipe or not sound, and also the head-up display if you want to see the M view or normal view. And also the second button you can customize. Then you can configure the wheels for the four-wheel drive, the X5, and also the head-up display. You can choose how to edit it. So this is special only for the M car, the setup. Also vehicle status. Here you have all the information about the car, guys. For example, when you have to oil check, oil level, service, when you have to make the service. Here is check control if the car have a problem, and tire pressure. Here you can see it, the tire pressure right here on the screen. Then in the settings, here we have a lot of settings again. So we have the display settings, where we change the head-up display, instrument cluster, control display. You see it before. The doors access. Here you have all the information about the doors, when you want to lock and when you want to unlock. The interior color. This is the ambient color. You can make it brighter or the way you want to have it. Also, you can change the color. You can see right now it's blue. Also, you have this ambient color inside the car. It's blue right now, and you can make it, for example, lilac, and you can change the colors. So it looks nice, really nice. Also, you can change, which color you want to have here inside the car right now. Also, you go to the seat comfort. Here you have comfort, those fantastic sport seats that are on the M5. They look gorgeous, really. And here, driver seat, you can change and save the position, passenger seats, and yeah, stuff like that. Then the climatic comfort. Here you can adjust the temperature, air quality, and frequency, and ionization, and how the air to circulate inside here. Also seat, steering wheel, heating. We have here the heaters and all the information about the climatic system. And then the key. Here are the info on the key. You can customize it as well. Driver profile. You have to make a driver profile if you want to save your settings after you set up the car. And owner's manual. Here you have all the information about the car. Also, you can see videos. For example, like that.
The avoidance assistant supports the driver in certain situations when there is a need to avoid something. For example.
So you can see videos, so that's really cool. And then the last one is application. Here the BMW store also install the application, all the application that the car have here, weather, news, and all that cool stuff that come with BMW. So the shortcut here, you have also the notification, stop, the route guidance, and adjust main menu and all that stuff. You can adjust it, and you can customize wherever you want to see here. For example, if you don't want to see the media, you can change with route preview, or you can change the way you want it. So it's kind of interesting how you can customize all that main menu here. So I guess that was my video, guys, with the new Operation System 7 E7 new multimedia system from BMW 2020. So I hope you enjoy it. Please subscribe to my channel, guys. Share it, like it if it was useful for you, and I wait you back to the next video. So bye, guys.